Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas, and this is going to be like put up a little bit later because it's a few days after Christmas, so I gotta quickly edit this. Hopefully we'll get it up before or on the day of New Year's Eve, which is December 31st. But let's get right on into this video. But before we start, be sure and subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below any video suggestions, comments, concerns, whatever. And be sure and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload. If you want to see what I got for Christmas, then keep on watching. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag about anything that I got, I'm just showing you guys because... So, let's first go through my little stocking right here. So first I have this little nail kit, and it just has like little scissors, a nail file, little like cuticle pusher, and a nail clipper. Next I got this nail file 7-step thing, and you just follow each step for when you're doing your nails. Next I got some hair ties. Next I got this pre-charged pop charger. It's like an emergency charger, and you can get up to 5 hours of talks/text time. Or at least that's what it says here. Next, just some razors, just because you gotta shave. So next on to my little presents. So first up, my mom got me like this little planner set thing, and it's just like a little kit to just keep up to date and whatnots. And it's actually really cute. I like love this. So there's that, and it basically comes with everything you need to like start a planner. Also, my mom got me this little keychain wallet, and then from my brother's girlfriend, she got me this big old highlighting brush, and then she also gave me this little bag. I can't think of the word. And then she also gave me the Morphe Metallic Heat little, yeah, these are the metallic eyeshadows, and there's 3 shades in here. So those are the 3 shades in case you don't know what I'm talking about. And they're just metallic liquid eyeshadow. And they're actually like super cute and very festive. My stepmom's parents got me some Reese's peanut butter cups, which I've already opened and started eating. They also got me a Fandango gift card for $25. But my stepsister Caitlin got me something from Juicy Couture, and now they don't like make these anymore, so it's fancy and limited edition. Like that's like the little heart, and it has crystals or diamonds, I don't know. Next my stepmom got me from this, I don't know how to say that, I can't read cursive, but it's something. And so she got me like this really pretty like choker, and it's like this like navy blue, and it has just like a little pearl there. Also, another present that my stepmom gave me was a $50 gas card. My other stepsister got me a $15 Fandango card, so good for like little movie nights and whatnot. Next, from my stepmom, she also got me these really cute earrings. I don't know if you can tell what they're supposed to like look like, but they're supposed to look like horses. And they're like really cute, and they're handcrafted. Next, I guess you would say my step aunt, which is my stepmom's sister. She got me like this charging cord with like little snowflakes on them, and there's a little button here, and they turn on, and they can either be solid or blinking or just off. And next, my boyfriend got me this little like necklace from when we went to Disney. I'll like put like a close-up picture like up on the screen. And he also got me a promise ring, which is like my birthday / Christmas present. So there's that. So I'll also throw up a close-up picture of that as well. Also, almost forgot to say what my dad got me. Also, my dad got me a Jeep Liberty 2007, so he got me a car. And for the first 3 months of me actually having it, he's going to give me $100 in gas and $100 for insurance before, so I can like save up some money before I actually like get up on my feet and pay for my own stuff. And I'll also like have a picture somewhere on the screen. I forgot to mention this while recording, but also my stepmom and my dad got me this little puka shell and regular seashell little decoration wind chime thing. But yeah, I forgot to mention that in the video, but there is that. So that is all I got for Christmas, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And please make sure and subscribe to my channel to see more videos of like little hauls and makeup videos. And be sure and like this video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And comment down below any video suggestions, comments, concerns, or what you got for Christmas. And hit the little notification bell to be notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.